Good morning, South Africa. Good morning. I just want to pass a quick message. I've seen a video rotating saying that there's a Tsonga kid who has been killed in Eastern Cape, and they were killed because they couldn't speak the language other than their home language. I am here to tell you guys that Manantlamulo, if you want peace, my sister, then don't let your son's death be used as a weapon to fight other crimes. Yes, it hurts as a parent because of your child is dead. I understand that. I get that. I'm a parent. I've been there. I've lost a child as well. I know what I'm talking about. I know the pain of losing a baby. I have buried 2 of my beautiful daughters. I know how it feels to bury a child of your own. But then, Manantlamulo, I'm coming to you as a concerned citizen of South Africa. Don't allow your son's words as name to be spread around saying that they were killed because of xenophobic. Because of, I know you know that your son was part of the gangsters. I know you had issues with Ntlamulo. I know that you were always telling Ntlamulo about the ways of him living. But because of Ntlamulo couldn't listen, Ntlamulo was doing his own things. Ntlamulo is a kid who grew up and then he joined the route of gangsters. Ntlamulo was a 19-year-old teenager who was in the group of gangsters. We are raising young children who are joining groups that we parents, I keep telling them, don't do these things of groups. It's not good. Ntlamulo didn't join the group because of he's a gangster, but Ntlamulo joined the group because of he felt that if he belonged to one of the groups, he'll be safe in Eastern Cape. So now, my sister, don't allow that boy's name to be used like this. Don't. It's painful, I know. I know wherever you are, even though you know who your boy, there was things that he was doing on the streets which you didn't agree with. You didn't expect his life to be taken away just like that. Ntlamulo, this is a gang, it's a gang fight. Ntlamulo died for a gang. Ntlamulo didn't die because of he was told, oh, you are not even closer, you can't even speak closer here, what. South Africa, stop lying. Manantlamulo, tell the people the truth. Tell the people the truth, how your son was. Byela vanhu ku ri n'wana wa wena a hanya njhani kwalani Eastern Cape. If u lava ku pfuniwa i mali ya ku ri xitumbu xi suka kwalani a Eastern Cape xi famba xi ya Giyani, vulavula na vanhu va ku pfuna, mara u nga pfumeli ku ri va tirhisa vito ra ka Ntlamulo hi ndlela yaleni. U nga pfumeli siska. Menta ku wena ku byela kwa manjini. Kiri, Manantlamulo, tell people the truth so that your child cannot be the separation of things that needs to be done. Because of, if this thing of him being killed because of you couldn't speak closer, if it gets out of hands, and mashangana ka ina ale Limpopo le Mapedi le Maini, even though ba bang ba tshwana le rena re nyaka or this whole thing the foreign illegal immigrants and other things that happening around, we wish for them to end. But then if it comes to us saying that there was one of us from Limpopo who was killed because of he couldn't speak closer, that is gonna build anger inside of us. That's going to build anger from inside. That's going to make people fight, Manantlamulo. Manantlamulo, tell South Africa that your son, he didn't deserve to die the way he died. Yes, but then you know your son's roots. You know how Ntlamulo was living. You know very well. So what I'm going to ask you, my sister, is to be a woman. Stand up. Manantlamulo, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, my sister. I'm very, very, very sorry. Like I've been telling you before I even talked about you, I've told you, Hore, I'm a mother who buried her own children. I know the pain of losing a child. I know the trauma. I know the sleepless nights. I know it's not something that you can get over it. Even today, I'm still mourning for my kids. But there are things that I have to accept and move on with life. And at this moment, I'm asking you, Manantla Mulo, don't drift South African apart. I know there are some who says people must go, some must say they must stay, but then don't let Nhlamulo's name be the reason why Limpopian people stand up and fight.